welcome back to my channel Study Buzz. In this video, I will be discussing what is anthropomorphism and what is the difference between pathetic fallacy and anthropomorphism. So let's start. First, we'll start with the meaning of anthropomorphism. It is the attribution of human traits, emotions, or intentions to non human entities. It is considered to be an innate tendency of human psychology. It comes from the Greek words anthropo, that means human, and morph, that means form. It is used in 1753 in reference to the heresy of applying a human form to the Christian God. Characters are anthropomorphic when they are not human but behave like a human. Anthropomorphism can be found in many kinds of stories, but it is especially common in children's stories, folk tales, and fantasy. It is generally taken as personification, but it's different from personification, in which things are described figuratively rather than literally as having human characteristics. Now, these are some examples of anthropomorphic characters. Now, with these pictures, you can have a clear idea what it means. Now, these are not humans, but these are some cartoon characters, famous anthropomorphic cartoon characters, not human, but they behave like humans. Now, these are some examples of anthropomorphism in literature. And in this, the very famous one is Animal Farm. I hope many of you have read this famous novel. Okay, now what is the difference between pathetic fallacy and anthropomorphism? If you want to know more about pathetic fallacy, I have already uploaded a video, separate video of pathetic fallacy. You can watch this video. Pathetic fallacy is a type of figurative language generally confused with personification. It is the attribution of human qualities or actions to non-human things. It involves the attribution of emotions to non-human things. Its attribution of emotions to non-humans is non-literal. For example, the flowers on the grave dropped in sadness. It is a figurative description meant to imbue the image with a certain emotion. It is not meant to be saying that the flowers are actually sad and they are behaving like a human when they feel sad. Okay, now what is anthropomorphism? It is the literal attribution of human characteristics to animals and other non-human things. The human qualities assigned to these characters are not just figurative ways of describing them as they are in pathetic fallacy. Rather, in anthropomorphism, the non-human entities actually do human things like talking, falling in love, wiggling their eyebrows, and generally behaving like people behave. Some famous examples of anthropomorphism include Winnie the Pooh, the little engine that could, and Simba from the movie The Lion King. So this is it for this video. I hope the difference between anthropomorphism and pathetic fallacy is clear now. Thanks for watching.